Have you ever wondered if computers can create art? With generative AI, computers can now create art, music, and even entire virtual worlds. Generative AI is a type of machine learning where computers are trained to create original works by analyzing and generating data. Instead of simply following instructions, generative AI has the ability to go beyond its original programming, creating unique outputs that are not predictable by its creators. One of the most exciting possibilities with generative AI is the creation of digital art. By analyzing patterns and styles from existing works, computers can create their own unique pieces. Some artists even work with generative AI to produce collaborative pieces. Generative AI is also being used to create music. By analyzing existing songs and melodies, computers can create their own original compositions in a specified genre or style. Some musicians are even using generative AI to produce entire albums. Finally, generative AI is being used to create entire virtual worlds. By analyzing existing landscapes and architecture, computers can create their own unique worlds in video games and simulations. This technology is also being used in urban planning and architecture to create virtual models before construction begins. Generative AI is still an emerging technology, but the possibilities are endless. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and experience art, music, and virtual reality. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about the world of technology.